Stop! You've already made one bad decision today and probably didn't catch it. Because bad decisions don't feel wrong, they feel reasonable. Give me 30 seconds and I'll show you how to catch the next one. People assume that bad decisions come from lack of knowledge. They don't. They actually come from degraded awareness. Fatigue, distraction, time pressure, and even overconfidence. All of these feel normal while they're happening. That's why people don't catch themselves. They think they're thinking clearly, but they're not. And the cost shows up in the decision after the fact. So the goal isn't better decisions in the moment, it's actually catching them before the decision is made. That's where this comes in. A simple 30-second self-check. It's not a checklist, it's an actual physical reset. 3 things: environment, body, and plan. First, the environment. If nothing's changed, you probably are not paying attention. Pause and actually look. What changed? Who's around you? What's next to you? What's coming towards you? What's coming up behind you? Who is around you? What's different from what you actually expected? Most people operate on assumption, not observation, and this forces correction. Second is body, an internal check, if you will. Do you feel tired, fatigued, rushed, distressed, or even distracted? Because your physical and mental state actually drives the decision more than the actual situation does. And if your state is off, your decisions will be too. Third is your plan. Say it simply. What are you about to do next? If you can't explain it in one sentence, then you're not clear. And unclear plans fail under pressure. And that's the entire process. 30 seconds. No gear, no complexity, but it actually interrupts the most dangerous pattern there is. And that's thinking you're fine when you're not. This applies everywhere, not just on the trail. Make sure you check before you leave the trail, before you change direction, as you saw, before you approach someone, before you commit to a choice you cannot easily undo. You don't need to do it constantly. You do it at transition points when something is about to change, because that's where most mistakes happen, not actually during the action. It's during the decision to act. And here's the thing that most people won't like. You won't rise to your level of training under stress. Actually, in this case, you fall to your level of awareness. And awareness isn't automatic. It has to actually be triggered. Something has to happen for you to be aware. And that's actually what this does. It actually triggers your awareness. A short pause that forces your brain out of autopilot and back into control. Because the most dangerous decisions you'll make are the ones that feel completely normal right before they go wrong. And if you don't pause, you don't catch it. And if you don't catch it, you commit to it. And this is where bad decisions actually start. Not in chaos, actually in normal moments. So before your next decision, run it once. Environment, body, and plan. Most people don't. That's why they miss it. It only takes 30 seconds for you to check it. Then watch it again and actually do it once today.